Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. We're going to do another video today, and this one is a little different because it is a Defender 90, and it's not cheap. It is expensive. It's very expensive. It's one of the most expensive cars for sale on Manheim right now. It's listed at $319,000 because it has 3,800 miles on it. Now, that's pretty outrageous. Is there any other ones for sale that I've seen with that mileage recently? No, but I guess they can ask what they want. So let's not make this about the price, even though the price is nuts. I think I'd rather have one of those completely restored 110s that we've talked about earlier than a barely driven, probably in mechanically need of rubber and seals 90. But again, I won't go down that rabbit hole. So it's a 97. It's got 38,000 miles on it. It's for sale by a dealer in Florida. Fort Lauderdale collection. There's the offer range. Yeah, let's just knock, you want to offer 40,000 less? Cool, yeah. See what we didn't pay anywhere near that for it, so we're going to make 100 plus grand on this anyway. There's the rest of the market. So contact information, there's really no information about the condition. I mean, I get it, it's 3,800 miles. They're not going to say what the tire depth is or if it has a cold start issue or anything like that. We're going to assume that it runs in drive. They've got a short description, maybe another key. And it stands out. It's Beluga Black, soft top, US spec, NAS. Probably the original tires. They're BFG, they're just TAs. From the the late 90s, maybe early 2000s. But again, it's Beluga Black. It's got, good condition, good. It doesn't seem like it's a very high spec truck. And let me take this, I'm not a Defender expert. There's so many small idiosyncrasies about the different Defender NAS years and this and that and the badging and the square lights and the round lights. I didn't commit any of that to memory. It's not the world that I exist in, so I don't have the commentary to support that. But I have seen different trucks that have all more interesting factory options, and this is not one of them. But again, it's clean looking, it's nice. Maybe that rear bumper's aftermarket. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I don't think this picture loaded with the number. Oh, there it is. I'm sure someone will want to take that down for their Defender 90 NAS collection serial number deal. But yeah, it's there. That's a lot of money. This is a little bit to unpack. I don't know. I mean, I guess if you just want the thing, you click the button, you buy the thing. It's not something that most are going to be looking for. It's a lot of money for not that much truck. That's kind of the takeaway here. This rear seat option's interesting. I've never seen that before, but I'm not a Defender expert. Usually it's the bench, the military style side-by-side seating. This looks like a cool optional extra or something that's aftermarket for beach cruising. Doesn't look very comfortable, but everything else is there. It's got the P38 style radio. It's an automatic, which is nice. It could have air conditioning. I'm not sure how the 90 thing works with the AC controls, but we can take a look at the engine bay here in a little bit and make that determination. What else? I mean, they're just rolling through the pictures here to see condition-wise. Obviously, it looks great. It looks, immaculate with that little miles. So it's very cool to see. I mean, that is the thing here, right? If you want to know what a completely stock-ish looking one looks like, it's fun to look at these pictures and see what things could and did look like. There's your moneymaker right there, 3,800 miles, I'm sorry. And there's the engine bay. Look, super clean. Still has all the original stickers and nomenclature, probably from when I left the dealership. That's pretty funny. Free delivery for parts. Man, there's nothing like period 80s and 90s stickers adorning an engine bay that really gets me going. It looks pretty cool. There's your 20-plus-year-old tires. And here's, it has the manual. It has the key. There's the radio code and everything. It's kind of cool to see all that, I don't care how much money you have or what your truck is. If you lose that radio code it's not going to be a fun time, especially 25 years later. But original selling dealers, inventory and card and whatnot. But again, all the little accessories that come with it, the window sticker, it's pretty cool. Not my cup of tea, but just if you guys are interested to see what these things are asking, maybe not trading hands, but asking for on the open market, that's it. So that's just a quick run through on this one. Usually I like the crappier trucks, but this one caught my eye since it was so expensive. Please like and subscribe. We do this almost every morning, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.